You guys, we're in my kitchen and I'm going to do the lab right now. I just got back from school to get all this stuff. So I have all of the beakers set up here. These are the empty ones and they're all labeled. You can't really see, but they're all labeled here. And then these are going to be the solutions I'm going to put into the dialysis bags. So you can see just by the color, this one's pure water, 0.0 molarity. And then over here, the darkest one, this is the one that is the most concentrated sucrose, 1.0 molarity sucrose. So I'm going to put a little bit of each one of these into the dialysis bags. All right, so I'm going to set up the tubes. So they're soaking in water, and I'll just do one and then I'll fast forward all the others after. So they look like this. I'm gonna tie a knot on one end. Like that. And then on the other end, you have to get it to open up. So you just rub it so that it opens up into, there's a little space right here. And if we were at school, I would normally have all of this, different syringes for each beaker, but I forgot to get enough syringes today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the water, the pure water, and then use the same syringe, but just go to the more concentrated one in this order, so I'm not contaminating the pure water. All right, so usually you'll have someone helping you to do this, so let's see if I can actually do this on my own. So I'm gonna take 12 milliliters of, oh, you can't see, 12 milliliters of the water. Well, this is 0.0 molarity. And then I'm going to put it into the dialysis bag. You can see it's filling up right now. All right. Once it's in there, set, and then I'm going to tie a knot on the other end. Leave some space in the dialysis bag just in case water enters, so it needs space to expand. All right, so this is 0.0, and then I'm going to just put it in this empty beaker for now, and then I'll mass all of them together. Okay, I'm going to do the next one, 0.2. I'll try to cut this part out in the video, but if I can't, you can just fast forward all this. Okay, so knot in one end. All right, so I have got each dialysis bag filled up with the different molarities. So I'll flip it around so you can see it. I don't know if it'll be backwards for you, but I'm gonna mass each one. So now this is going to be your initial weight. All right, so I'll dry the bag on the outside. Put the mass in, I'll mass it, so 0. This is what I had to go to school for, was the scale. Okay, so I'll mass, this is 0.0 molarity. Okay, so that's your initial mass, 0.0. Next one, 0.2. Okay, there's your 0.2 initial mass. 0.4. 0.6. Let me zero it again. 0.8. And then last one is 1.0. All right, so those are the initial masses for all of them. Notice they were different masses, so that's why we're going to calculate percent change in mass, because they all have different starting masses. Maybe it's the size of the dialysis tube, maybe it's the weight of the sucrose, who knows? But the point is that they all have different starting masses. So when I take the final masses after 30 minutes, you would calculate the percent change in mass. All right, so now I'm going to add in water. So now I'm adding pure water, so 0.0 molarity, because there's no sucrose. I'm going to add water into every beaker. I'll time it, and then we'll come back to do the final masses. Just enough water to like fill in, cover the tube. Okay. All right, so we'll come back in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to mass all the bags now. So I'm going to take them out and then just dry it off a little bit so I don't mass the like water that's out on the outside. So these are going to be your final masses. Okay, so 0.0. Your final mass for 0.0. Next one, 0.2. Zero point 0.2. 0.4. 0.4. 0.6. 0.8. Wipe this off. And then last one is 1.0. All right, so now that you have the final masses, you will find the percent change in mass. Okay, so you're going to use the formula that's on the worksheet to calculate percent change in mass, same as how we did it in class today. And then once you have the percent change in mass, you're going to graph it. Okay, that's your assignment for Monday. If you have any questions, ask your study buddies or message me on Schoology and I'll help you out. All right, bye.